I did it! Victory! So finally I was able to make some keto buns, keto sandwiches with zero carbs. Last time I uploaded a poll asking you guys, dear followers, to choose the next video recipe, and you guys chose the keto buns, zero carbs. Of course, next week I will make the other ones. But anyway, I forgot to tell you, welcome to the channel of the Italian guy. Let's go straight into the recipe. Let's begin our recipe by adding 100 grams of bamboo fiber. And now I'll show you the one I'm using. This is the Italian one, but I guess the one you find in the US or in your country will be the same as the same amount, low amount of carbs. 0.3 in this case for 100 grams. Let's add some baking powder and yeah, baking powder. This is the one I'm using in Italy. Of course, you won't find it in your country. A tablespoon of xantan gum. Can you avoid it? Yes, you can avoid, but you have to replace it. So follow me until the end of the video and I will tell you how. Let's give a good stir to those dry ingredients so that everything gets blended together. And now let's add one of the best ingredients in keto, the best food, eggs. They are full of protein, fat. They are needy for the ketogenic lifestyle. 160 ml of warm water, not hot but very warm. Now let's use our hands to blend everything together to make the dough. At first you will notice that the butter is still, the dough, sorry, is still dry and very dry, you know. But if you keep kneading, you will see that the fiber absorbs the water, the eggs. And look at the miracle of the xanthan gum. You see, it's so elastic. Yeah, so compact. And now at this stage you can see that the dough becomes compact and it means it's ready. 200 grams, 400 Fahrenheit degrees for 25 minutes, fan oven. See the magic of the xanthan gum? You can see this dough is like the gluten one, but it's gluten free, it's elastic. And that's it. Here they are. You can see the texture. It looks like a cauliflower, but of course it is not. It's almost soft. I kept them in the fridge for one night. I made them yesterday and I'm recording today. And now, the taste completely neutral. There is no taste regarding the bamboo fiber. Of course, you can taste the ham I put inside and the leaf of the salad. But the bamboo itself, it doesn't taste. It's tasteless, completely tasteless. So I can say I'm very, very satisfied and happy of the result. The xanthan gum, you can avoid it. Yes, I said yes during the preparation, but you have to replace it with a psyllium husk. Otherwise, you can see the picture. Look at the result. The dough becomes, how can I say, cracks, and you can't eat at all. You can't eat it at all. So we have to use either the xanthan gum or the psyllium husk. What about adding maybe more? Adding some vinegar and reducing the water, so this way we can try to let them rise a little bit more. Please let me know in the comments below if you do it. I would really appreciate. And yeah, that's it. Zero carbs. There is no carbs. I mean, the bamboo fiber has got very low amount of carbs, so that I can say this is a zero carb bread recipe, sandwich keto bread recipe. So here we are, the video ends here. We passed the 2,300 followers, and I'm getting more followers in the other than in the Italian field, and I'm really happy with this. Next week will be the keto husks. So stay tuned, subscribe, give me a like please, that YouTube algorithm put my channel on the top of the results, the search results, and share it with your friends. Subscribe please, and all the best. See you next week.